In this video, we'll break down the PTE Writing Section, its tasks, timing, scoring, and some useful tips to boost your score. This content is for anyone preparing for the PTE exam, specifically focusing on the writing section. Understanding this section is crucial for achieving a good score, and by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to success. The PTE Writing Test comes immediately after the speaking module. It has two main tasks: summarize written text and essay writing.
Here's a quick overview of the two tasks you'll encounter. Let's dive into each task, starting with summarize written text. In summarize written text, you'll get 10 minutes to summarize a passage into one single sentence. Remember, only one full stop is allowed, and your response must be between 5 and 75 words. Pay close attention to formatting rules to avoid losing marks. Do not type in all caps. Your sentence must start with a capital letter and end with a full stop. Also, avoid run-on sentences. Your score is based on grammar, vocabulary, and how well you capture the main ideas of the passage. Now, let's move on to the essay writing task. For the essay writing task, you'll have 20 minutes to write an essay of 200 to 300 words. Scores are reduced if you write less than 200 or more than 300 words. Effective time management is key to mastering the essay writing task. Divide your time wisely. Spend 2 to 3 minutes planning, 12 minutes writing, and a few minutes revising. A simple template makes essay writing easier. Start with an introduction, then write 2 body paragraphs, and finish with a clear conclusion.
Here are some final tips to help you succeed in the PTE writing section.
Remember, clarity and structure matter more than fancy words. Stick to the word limit and avoid repetition. Keep your writing clear, neutral, and formal.
Thanks for watching. For more PTE preparation guides, don't forget to like and subscribe the next step.